In the fantastical world of do-it-yourself wonders, a group of inventive builders embarked on an ambitious quest to create an aquatic paradise like no other. Their vision: a double water slide cascading into a swimming pool playground, all brought to life through the magnetic magic of countless spheres. The saga began with the careful assembly of magnetic balls, each one a building block in the grand design of the water-centric haven. The builders envisioned not just a playground, but a spectacle that would redefine aquatic enjoyment. As the magnetic connections clicked and harmonized, a symphony of creation unfolded, setting the stage for a tale that would blend innovation with the soothing sounds of construction. The first chapter unveiled the structural groundwork of a playground that promised a double dose of excitement. Transparent walls, crafted entirely from magnetic spheres, provided a glimpse into the aquatic escapade that awaited. The builders marveled at the visual spectacle as the playground took shape, seemingly merging the magical allure of magnetic balls with the anticipation of a water-centric adventure. With the playground standing as a testament to their ingenuity, attention turned to the double water slide. Each twist and turn was meticulously designed, and as the rainbow of magnetic balls formed the structure, the builders couldn't help but feel a surge of excitement. The playground became a canvas for aquatic innovation, promising a thrilling journey from the slide to the refreshing waters below. As water flowed through the slides and the swimming pool playground reached completion, the builders marveled at their creation. The double water slide seamlessly integrated with the vibrant pool, creating a dynamic environment that beckoned for exploration and endless enjoyment. The ASMR experience heightened the joy, with the gentle clicks and snaps of magnetic connections providing a serene backdrop to the aquatic masterpiece. The grand reveal marked a moment of triumph. The double water slide and swimming pool playground stood as a testament to the boundless possibilities when creativity met magnetic magic. The comments section echoed with admiration, viewers expressing awe at the seamless blend of innovation, visual appeal, and the therapeutic sounds of construction. In the heart of the aquatic haven, the builders reveled in the joy of having not just constructed a playground, but having woven a tale where the refreshing waters, magnetic allure, and the thrill of adventure came together. The double water slide and swimming pool playground became more than a project. They were a symbol of the extraordinary joy that emerges when imagination takes a plunge into the magic of DIY creation. And so, in the boundless realm of DIY dreams, the saga of the double water slide and swimming pool playground endured as a celebration of ingenuity and the immersive magic of magnetic spheres. The builders cherished the memory of crafting not just an aquatic wonderland, but a story where the joy of creation flowed as freely as the waters in their vibrant playground.